Guys, here's the project I ended up getting. The 60 ragtop bug. Um, this is original color, but it's been repainted. Let's take a look at it. I actually have all the parts too. So if you notice the heater channels, when I open the door up, the heater channels are so wasted. There's no heater channel left and they've disconnected from the body. So the door needs to be lined up. And then lift the body off the pan while the brace in before I even do anything else. But this is actually the original color, if you see here, and then this is what they repainted. There's no real rust up on the top, so it's kind of weird. There's no rust up here at all, but all the rust is down on the bottom. This panel right here is junk. It's been cut out, cut out and rewelded. I actually have replacement metal for that. This fender here is pretty wasted. I don't know if I'll be able to save it. It might not have any metal left on it. So it does have a motor. That's cool. Now that's out of a 57 bug. It has the numbers for 57. So I think it was 57, 56, or 57. Yeah. And then it has bumpers, so it does have bumpers. I could straighten that. It's possible to actually use these again. And these are actually original bumpers, if you see here. They got a little bit of stuff going on them. They wouldn't look too bad. You even had hubcaps on it. Of course, it's got this terrible rust here. So that panel's going to have to come off. It's a pretty rough one here, but it is a 60 ragtop. So how often do you see 60 ragtops even for sale, period? That are restorable. Well, many people might say this is not restorable, but this is totally restorable. In fact, I'm debating, I'll let you guys tell me, should we go patina ride and try and polish this old paint up and match it and touch it up? Or should we do a complete restoration on this thing? I mean, eventually I'm probably going to restore it, but I'm thinking about just putting it together as a patina ride for now. The whole pan is pretty wasted. Even the front beam is shot. And I actually have another beam for it, which is great. So we have all the parts we need, except for the taillights. Actually, one of the lenses, he gave us one of the housings, but we don't have lenses and we don't have brackets, so those aren't too hard to get. And the little chrome ring piece. So, but it's actually, check out the inside of this thing. This is what really I liked about this car. I mean, man, peak green, or this green color is so ugly, but look at that dash. Look at that, that is clean. Now, that's not the right steering wheel for this car. I don't think. I'm not sure, I don't think so. It's been replaced. If you look at that dash, it's pretty cool. There's the front bumpers in it. Got the headlight bucket sitting here. It looks like maybe these are original seat covers, but it smells like cat pee. So, look at the back is in bad shape. We got parts for that. All this down here is what's in the mess, and we've got all that, all those parts there. Got all the metal for all that stuff. Cool. It's actually got the actual ashtray is still in the back, and that's a early one. I think 60, maybe 61 on that one. I'm not sure. Let's look at the under the hood. So, does it gotta move the bungee cords? Oh yeah, that one does. Dun dun dun, bungee cord hood. Oh, Sapphire radio. Score. I already saw this stuff, but I'm showing you guys what I found. Those guys. Score. Gas tank's probably completely can't even get the lid loose, but it's got a VW lid, original. Not dented, and it's still got all this stuff here. Look at this. God, look at the front end. Oh, they just painted right over that shit, didn't they? Hey, maybe this is all repainted. Look, why would they paint this? Or did VW paint that? I think they actually, maybe no, they didn't paint this, did they? No, and this has been painted. So, oh, I know what it is, because the front end was damaged. Because we saw some front end. The two fenders have been replaced, and see these here, the nice, had the wrong lights on it at some point. You know, it's just typical. And it has a non 3-tab hood, so it was in an accident at some point. We got the horn, we got speedo cable housing. These are for late model, but they're handy to have. Actually, those belong in the other car, don't they? Or he just threw them in here.
Yeah, sure.
Use them as patterns. So, yeah, I'm missing the glove box housing or liner, but you know how to make those. Got some welding to do. Well, jack bracket's missing. It's kind of weird. It's really rusty down here. That's really rusty. You know, see if we could find this piece. I don't know. That's so crusty on this one that may want to replace it. So, yeah, it's a rusty one, but it's a nice one. Let's take a look at it from a little bit far away here. I want to get in the right angle here. We aren't looking at it from this side. There you go. Let's look at this thing. I don't know. What are those? Are those early? What are those called? Around the hubcaps? The beauty rings? Are those
Later ones?
Early ones? I think I've never seen those. I don't know. I've seen them, but I just don't know what they are. Got a 5 smoothies came with it. So, and it's got the wrong deck lid, which I have the right one. We're just missing the H apron, and I know the front apron's really crusty, so I'm gonna have to change that. Yeah. We'll figure out what we're gonna do. You guys think? Let's see some ideas, you guys. If you think we should go patina ride on this thing, or we should go restoration. I really don't like the color. I think if I restore it, I'm definitely not going to go this color. I'm gonna, even if it's the right color, I don't care.
Driving up here actually looks pretty cool.
Yeah. What's that?
This ugly color driving actually looks pretty cool. You got to see from a distance.
Yeah, I think from a distance it looks okay. It looks okay when you're not driving. But when I'm driving, I don't really like this color too much. But and I don't know if it. I don't know. We're just gonna try and clean it up at some point, and it'll be a while before you guys see us do this. We got a bunch of projects to finish right now, so we just thought we'd just show you real quick what's happening, what the new project that just came in is. 60 ragtop bug. 60. There's very few of these around. You can't find projects like this, and this one's actually a really good one. It just has some really bad stuff on it too, but we have all the parts. Cool. Talk to you guys in the next video.